thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Game of Cryptos. I hope you guys are doing well despite what we're seeing going on with the Bitcoin price action. Yes, it sucks. This sucks. It's not fun to see your portfolio go down hundreds, thousands of dollars, depending on how much, money you have allocated. But guys, this is just manipulation. It's pure manipulation. There's absolutely no reason why an asset such as Bitcoin should be selling off as hard when it's so close to the halving, which is going to be one of the most bullish things that can happen for Bitcoin and for crypto. So just know that this price action is not normal. Well, it does happen sometimes before the halvings, but this is not normal price action. These wicks, a lot of this is leveraged longs getting liquidated. It's the whales, the people that control the market, purely just manipulating, trying to get people to sell their Bitcoin and sell their cryptos. But for this video, I wanted to go over and just talk about, it's days like these that you want to have more, money to be able to DCA on the side. That's why it's important. And also, this is why, I feel like, times like these make you really appreciative of those really solid cryptos. Your cryptos that are solid plays, not just meme coins. This is when it's very, very dangerous to be in meme coins, because Bitcoin can go down 10%, and then some of your meme coins can go down 50, 60%. This is why you want to be in those strong conviction plays. In this video, I wanted to go over utilizing the altcoins, reviewing a couple charts that overall in the last year or two have been strong against Bitcoin, and just a reminder that it's really good to be in cryptos that are hold up really well against Bitcoin and the Bitcoin dominance. Before we get into that, just a couple tweets off of Twitter. Elio Trades, he says, the way the froth has been wiped while BCA remains so strong makes me feel like we're so early in this cycle. Painful as this is, I believe those who don't get shaken out, or even better, those who buy the coming lows, have a high chance of being God Kings in 12 months. Another tweet from Render Daddy: imagine capitulating 1 week before BTC halving. True, guys. We're so close to the most bullish time of crypto. This is the worst time to be selling your crypto. You did all that hard work in 2022, 2023 to sell a week before the halving? Come on. That's a joke. It's a joke. The Wolf of Wall Street says, pro tip, don't look at your portfolio. I agree. And then the last thing that I wanted to just go over before we dive into the meat and potatoes of this video, this guy said you wanted to buy Injective at $53. Now it's at $26. You don't want to buy it. You don't want it anymore. You wanted to buy Render at $13. Now it's at, $5. I don't know if it's actually at $5. Maybe it's like $6 or $7. You don't want it anymore. Crypto is the only place where people run from the discounts. Guys, this is a true tweet. If you want to really make that money and make good gains, you have to buy in the red. You don't buy when it's green. This is a psychological game. When it's green, people are like, oh, I want to buy more because it's like confirmation bias. And you're like, oh, okay, yeah, this is a good time to buy because, I'm making money. But when you see red, people are fearful. That's when you buy, guys. That is when you buy. Anyways, getting into this video. So in this video, I'm going to go over some of the cryptos that have had overall good strength against BTC, show you some really good ones, and then show you one that's bad. And this will help give you more of an idea for what types of cryptos you should be in. You have a green line over here, you have a red line over here. You want to be in cryptos that overall on a BTC chart, if BTC is the crypto you're measuring in, you want to see your crypto overall be able to go up on BTC dominance, not in the red over here where it's going down. So what does it mean if it's in the green versus in the red? If it's going up over BTC dominance, that means that your crypto is outpacing BTC's rate of return, which means that's good. You want to be in investments that can outpace Bitcoin. If your crypto isn't outpacing Bitcoin, you might as well be in Bitcoin. And then in the red, if it's going down, that means your crypto is not outpacing Bitcoin, and that means for that time period, or for just in general with that crypto, you might as well have been in Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is actually going to net you more gains than that said crypto. Now, some cryptos you do see this going on, and then some cryptos you see that. And of course, all of it depends on certain time frames too. So let's get into it. So for the first one, I'm sure a lot of you, this is no surprise. Salana has been super bullish over the last couple years, ever since the crash with Alameda and everything going on with Sam Bankman-Fried. Salana has been able to get super close to its all-time high. Now, this is a BTC chart. Salana versus BTC this is a daily chart. And what do you see? And down here, this goes all the way back to last year of almost June of 2023. So almost a year ago. This is almost a year chart that you're seeing. And what do you see? Solana's going up in BTC value over time. It's been putting in higher highs overall. And then even though we are seeing it go down right now, you're going to see that with all the cryptos, because right now alts are going down faster than Bitcoin. And that's one reason why they overall say that Bitcoin is a store of value. Bitcoin is going to hold more value than your altcoins, especially in a down market. So your alts, think about it this way, if altcoins go up higher than Bitcoin, then the reverse is going to be true. And then when the market's bearish, alts are going to go down farther than Bitcoin. But even with this crash that we're having, it's still a higher high overall in Solana's price uptrend against BTC. So what does this mean? Again, it goes back to what I said in the previous slide. If your crypto is outpacing Bitcoin, that means it's a very, very solid investment. And not financial advice, but it is a very solid investment. And if your investment thesis is not only to make more money, but to get more Satoshis, get more BTC, this is how you do it. You want to be in cryptos that are outpacing Bitcoin. Again, for this monthly time frame, and this is about a year window, it has had higher highs, which, it's a solid investment. Despite the issues that Salana does have, I still think it's a very solid investment. The next one, Render, an AI play, machine learning play, a bullish DePIN play. Again, same type of time frame, all the way back from June 2023 till now. Yes, we are seeing it go down, but again, that's all cryptos right now against BTC. But as you can see, higher highs the whole way through, which is really bullish. And guys, you're seeing this price action. You're seeing these cryptos like Render, cryptos like Salana, they're in a bullish uptrend even when it's not even altcoin season. It's still Bitcoin dominance season right now. It's pre-halvening. We haven't even hit the halvening yet, and you're seeing these types of charts on versus Bitcoin. So again, guys, for those of you tuning in, this is not the USD, it's the BTC Render versus Render over BTC chart. So again, these are just ideas. You should be already really well invested in a lot of plays at this moment, but if you're not, just do this method and really check to see, are your investments outpacing Bitcoin? If they're not, you might want to potentially reconsider what you are invested in. Now, Avalanche has, in the past, it did see some dramatic price dipping versus BTC, but the narrative shifted and changed when everyone started to realize that Avalanche is going to be huge when it comes to crypto gaming as a blockchain, with things like shrapnel, off the grid, guns and the Gunzilla token, all this utilizing Avalanche's blockchain. When people realized this, you started to see a higher highs with Avalanche. Now, recently, it is going lower. It has dipped past a recent high, but that is still okay. Overall, since November of 2023 till now, it is still in a bullish uptrend against Bitcoin. And as Bitcoin dominance goes down, which usually happens post Bitcoin halving, whether it's a couple months down the road, you will see Avalanche go back up again against Bitcoin. So again, Avalanche is another example of a crypto that has been doing really well overall against Bitcoin. Yes, right now it's bearish, but that won't be the case in the future, especially with everything going on with gaming. And then for one of the last examples of an overall one that's been bullish but has been, recently bearish, Injective. Injective was one of the best performing cryptos in 2023, and it has significantly retraced against Bitcoin dominance. However, Injective, I still believe, if you're looking for a safe play, again, I'm, just kind of throwing this out here, but if you're maybe looking for a solid 5x, maybe even 10, Injective is a very solid high cap to be in. Again, it depends on your risk tolerance. If you're someone that's looking for 20, 30, 40x, Injective is not your play. Again, it has been bearish as of recent, but right now, a lot of cryptos are. But considering Injective surpassed its all-time high in the last cycle, I think this is still a very, very solid crypto to be in, and I think it's going to perform pretty well post BTC halving and into 2025 into the top of the market. Now, before I end this video, so all the examples I gave you, Injective, Avalanche, Render, Salana, these were just few of many examples of overall seeing it go up against Bitcoin. Yes, there's been down moments, but overall those were more bullish trends against Bitcoin. The next one I'm going to show you is one where it's been going down, and I really hope it doesn't offend any of you that own this crypto, if you do, but I'm just looking out for you. This is not financial advice, but this is financial advice. You do not want to be in cryptos that are like this. And this is XRP. And this is almost a yearly downtrend against Bitcoin. These are the type of projects you want to stay away from. And that is financial advice. If you're an XRP, you are losing money, and you're not going to see the type of gains that you want to see this bull run. Again, I'm sorry if you are in that project, but this is just advice to get you to realize and wake up that there are other better plays, hence the ones I just showed you, and plenty of others. They're way better plays than this. XRP has been in a continuous downtrend against Bitcoin ever since July of 2023. Almost a year ago, and it's still going down. And I don't see it necessarily returning that much back to the upside as far as making gains. It's already a super, super high cap, and again, if the goal is to make money, you want to be in cryptos that are outpacing BTC overall in the general trend. So yes, day to day, week to week, you're going to see some cryptos that are still really good, maybe be bearish against their BTC pair. But overall, if you're looking out from like a year chart from the month to month, you should see an overall upwards bullish trend. This one is downwards. This means you're basically you can still, the thing that not to get confused is you can still technically be making money even if the alt pair against BTC is going down. You could be still making more USD value, but what this means is you're losing out on being able to gain more Bitcoin, gain more Satoshis. Then this means if you're in a crypto where you see overall, where its pairs overall down against Bitcoin, that means you were better off just being in Bitcoin the whole time. So those of you that have been DCAing in XRP since July of 2023 till now, you actually would have been better off investing in Bitcoin till now. So again, I'm not trying to pick on XRP, but I just think all that hopium where people were expecting these crazy high numbers for XRP given its market cap are just super unrealistic, and you're going to get wrecked. And I don't want you guys watching this to be wrecked. And I just want to give you guys the best chance to make some really good money this bull run. So again, guys, thanks for tuning into this video. I hope it has been helpful. Again, it has not been easy seeing everything go on in the market. Exactly as this post says, probably best not to lick your portfolio right now because it's not going to make you happy. It's only going down for now, but if you do have money on the side, this can be a great opportunity to DCA into some of your favorite plays. And again, this would be a really good time to build those bags and those cryptos that are bullish against its BTC pair. So thank you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next one.